Did you know that French native speakers can spot foreigners just by the way they're saying the nasal sound?
Many French learners mix up nasal sounds simply because they have no equivalent in English and teachers never show them.
So, if you are struggling with the pronunciation of the French on, stay with us in this video of French pronunciation for English speakers.
You're going to learn a very simple method to say the sound on like a real French speaker.
And note that you can grab your free PDF and quiz by clicking on the link in the description.
Let's jump into it.
Let's jump into it.
To pronounce the nasal sound you're going to put the back of your tongue to the back of your mouth so the air only goes through the nose, okay? So no air through the mouth, only through the nose. Then round your lips as if to say oh, okay? Make it a little smaller. So let's try.
Nice. A weird word this time. A sweet.
Le bonbon. Bonbon. Bonbon.
Cool. And another word. The world.
Le monde. Le monde. 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 Don't forget that you can receive your free PDF and quiz by clicking on the link in the description.
That's it for today.
Au revoir!
Au revoir.